explained types of chemical reactions. Today I am continuing this. That one is third type of chemical reaction, that is displacement reaction. Clear? Displacement reaction, write down the definition. Those reaction in which more active element displaces less active element from its compound. Are called displacement reactions. For this, we have to learn the activity series. That is short form. I am explaining. कतरीना ने कार मांगा, ऑल्टो जेन फरारी. क्लियर? फिर भी क्यों मिली सिल्वर ऑडी. क्लियर? कतरीना ने कार मांगा, ऑल्टो जेन फरारी, फिर भी क्यों मिली सिल्वर ऑडी. नाउ आई एम राइटिंग द नेम ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स. कतरीना के, that is potassium, ने sodium, that is natrium, car, that is calcium, manga, that is magnesium, alto, this is aluminium, Zn, Zn zinc, Ferrari means iron, that is ferrum, फिर भी, that is lead, Pb, that is this is plumbum. क्यों copper, मिली means mercury, that is hydrargyrum. This is mercury. Okay, this is hydrargyrum. Silver, Ag, gold, Au. This is the short form of the name of the elements. ठीक है? This is according to reactivity series decreases downwards. Reactivity series decreases downwards. Series decreases downwards. Clear? That means On the top side, these are more reactive metal. These are less reactive metal. Clear? Potassium, K, sodium, Na, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, copper, mercury, silver, gold. Clear? These are the more reactive element, these are less reactive element. According to displacement reaction, those reactions in which more active element displaces less active element from its compounds, or we can say from its solution, are called displacement reaction. Write down the equation. Iron Fe reacts with CuSO4, copper sulfate. What it gives? Iron reacts with copper sulfate. It gives iron sulfate FeSO4 plus Cu. Clear? Iron react with copper sulfate. It gives iron sulfate and copper. In the reactivity series, which one is more reactive, iron or copper? See here in the reactivity series. This one is iron and this one is copper. Okay? Which one is more reactive? Here iron is more reactive than copper. According to our definition, more reactive element displaces less reactive element from its salt solution. Clear? So it gives iron sulfate and copper metal displaces. If we take copper plus FeSO4, then what happens? Copper is less reactive than iron. Copper is here, iron is here. That means less reactive metal do not displaces more reactive metal. Now what is the result? The result is no reaction. Clear? Again, zinc Zn react with CuSO4. What it gives? ZnSO4 plus Cu. Clear? Zinc and copper. Here it is zinc, here it is copper. That means Zn is more reactive than metal, copper. Okay? More reactive metal displaces less reactive element from its salt solution. Clear? And if we take Cu plus ZnSO4, then again no reaction. Clear this one? Displacement reaction? Okay. Now write down double displacement reaction. Double displacement reactions. Okay. Double displacement reactions. Those reactions in which two ionic compounds clear in the solution react by exchange of their ions to form a compound. Are called double displacement reaction. Clear? Those reactions in which two ionic compounds in the solution react by exchange of their ions to form a compound are called double displacement reaction. Clear? Now example, barium chloride react with sodium sulfate. Clear? These are the two ionic compounds. One is barium chloride, another one is sodium sulfate. Now these exchange their ions. Now barium react with sulfate and sodium react with chloride. Clear? Now these barium exchange their ions. ये बेरियम क्लोराइड को छोड़ के सल्फेट के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा और सोडियम सल्फेट के साथ छोड़ के क्लोराइड के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा. क्लियर? These exchange their ions according to their definition. Now it forms barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. Clear? Next, silver nitrate AgNO3. This silver nitrate react with sodium chloride. In the same case, these also exchange their ions. Silver nitrate react with sodium chloride. It forms silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Clear? According to definition, these compounds exchange their ions. Now, silver react with chlorine, this becomes silver chloride, and sodium react with nitrate, this becomes sodium nitrate. Clear? This is double displacement reaction. Okay? Next topic, neutralization reaction. According to the definition, neutralization reaction, an acid react with base to form salt and water. Okay. An acid react with base. It gives salt and water. NaOH plus HCl. Here it is a base. It is acid. to our definition, acid react with base, it gives NaCl, that is salt and water. This is salt, this one is water. Clear? This is neutralization reaction. When an acid react with base, it gives salt and water. That is neutralization reaction. Next example, KOH, potassium hydroxide, react with HCl. It gives KCl plus water. Again, base react with acid, it gives salt and water. This is neutralization reaction. Next topic, write down oxidation reduction reaction. This is very important topic. Oxidation reduction reactions. Oxidation reduction reactions. Oxidation is defined as a process which involves number 1, gain of oxygen, or number 2, loss of hydrogen. Clear? Oxidation is defined as a process which involves gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen. Clear? Reduction is defined as a process which involves number 1, gain of hydrogen, or number 2, loss of oxygen. Clear? Reduction is defined as a process which involves number 1, gain of hydrogen or loss of oxygen. Next, oxidizing and reducing agent in terms of loss or gain of oxygen. Oxidizing and reducing agent in terms of loss or gain of oxygen or hydrogen. Clear? Oxidizing and reducing agent in terms of loss or gain of oxygen or hydrogen. Clear? Oxidizing agent is a substance. Oxidizing agent is a substance number 1. Oxidizing agent is a substance which gives oxygen or gains hydrogen. Which gives oxygen or number 2 gains hydrogen. Clear? Oxidizing agent is a substance which gives oxygen or gains hydrogen. Again, reducing agent is a substance number 1 gives hydrogen or gains oxygen. Gives hydrogen or gains oxygen. Clear? Clear this? First of all, oxidation means gives oxygen or loss hydrogen. Gains oxygen or loss hydrogen. That is oxidation. Gains oxygen or loss hydrogen. ऑक्सीजन लेता है और हाइड्रोजन छोड़ता है, दोनों में एक, दैट इज ऑक्सीडेशन. और रिडक्शन मीन्स गेन्स हाइड्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन लेगा या फिर ऑक्सीजन लूज करेगा, ऑक्सीजन छोड़ेगा. और नेक्स्ट ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट इज अ सब्सटेंस विच गिव्स ऑक्सीजन, जो ऑक्सीजन देता है, दैट मीन्स reduction here. Okay, that is losses oxygen, that is oxidizing agent. And reducing agent is a substance which gives hydrogen or gains oxygen. Clear this one? Now I am giving one example that will be clear. Next topic is redox reaction. Redox reactions are those reactions in which oxidation and reduction both take place. Clear? Redox reaction. Redox reactions. Those reactions in which oxidation and reduction both takes place. in which oxidation and reduction both takes place. I am giving one example, CuO, that is copper 2 oxide react with hydrogen. Copper 2 oxide react with hydrogen. It gives copper plus water. Clear? Clear this one? Now here this is hydrogen. Now it becomes water. ये हाइड्रोजन आपका क्या बन गया? H2 becomes H2O. ये हाइड्रोजन जो है वाटर बन गया, मीन्स इसमें एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, दैट मीन्स गेन्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. इन दिस गेन्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. क्लियर? हाइड्रोजन में यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन गेन हो गया. क्लियर? दिस इज नोन एज ऑक्सीडेशन. In which gain of oxygen. Now hydrogen, this one is itself becomes reducing agent. Reducing agent. Clear this? Now here this CuO becomes Cu. Clear? This means copper 2 oxide loses oxygen and becomes copper. This one. Clear? Now it loses oxygen. Now it becomes reduction. Lose of oxygen. Loss of oxygen. CuO becomes Cu. This loss of oxygen, that is known as reduction. Clear? Now this CuO itself becomes oxidizing agent. Clear? What is redox reaction? What is oxidation? What is reduction? Clear? Next topic, I will explain the oxidation, the effect of oxidation or uses of oxidation in everyday life. That is corrosion and rancidity.